Well, TMC has crossed the 100 mark in early trends, but these are very early and these are all postal ballots. So while you may cross a century in the first few overs, you still need to really bat in the slog overs. And that's really where this election will be decided. So while the TMC may have crossed 100 in the early trends, the real challenge still lies ahead. Very, very early trends at the moment. The early trends that we are picking up from the other states at least give us some sense of what seems to be happening. Take a look at Assam, where clearly in these early trends, the BJP building some kind of a lead, leading in 22 to the Congress's 9 at the moment. Kaushik Deka of India Today with us for Assam. Kaushik, the BJP leading in 22, the Congress at the moment in 9. Presumably for the BJP, the challenge is to establish a comfortable majority so you're not dependent on any post-poll arithmetic. That was a fear expressed by some BJP leaders that they may well find themselves between 60 and 65 seats. Do you get a sense that that will decide chief ministership? That if the BJP wins big in Assam, that's 70 plus, then there will be no change in leadership. If they get less, then they will need Hemanta Biswa Sarma kind of leader to do the post-poll arithmetic. Does that make a difference? Should we be looking at that at all?
I do not think that that will make a difference, but yes, if BJP remains at 65 or less than 65, then they will need, apart from their two allies, they probably would eye for BPF votes. And as far as I know of Assam politics, the BPF top leader, Hagrama, if he needs to help BJP, would actually ask for Sarbananda Sonowal's leadership. But I think that's a bit far-fetched idea, because the leadership issue will be decided after the actual numbers are out, right. And that will be decided by Modi-Shah duo. And I don't think anybody will be able to dictate about who should be the chief minister. But at the moment, I think the trends that postal ballots are showing, and when the actual numbers will come up, I think BJP will sail through comfortably.
Very interestingly, in Bengal, two cricketers are there on BJP tickets. You've got Manoj Tiwari and you've got Ashok Dinda. One fast bowler, one batsman, both on TMC tickets. Last time you had Lakshmi Ratan Shukla. And both Manoj and Ashok Dinda, we are told, are leading at the moment.
But the one batsman who's